Karen went viral for asking this. A Karen walks into a fried chicken restaurant and confidently asks for a healthy option. The cashier, clearly unfazed by the request, says, "Breast or thighs?" Karen gasps, "Excuse me." The cashier, still unfazed, calmly repeats, "I said, would you like the breast or the thighs? We also have drumsticks and wing." "Karen, I didn't ask for your opinion." The cashier, "Okay, then what can I get for you?" "Karen, I want a salad." The cashier, "We don't have salads." Karen, "Well, then just give me a list of the ingredients in the chicken pot pie." The cashier, "Ma'am, that's not a healthy option." Karen, "It's better than your chicken nuggets." The cashier, "Actually, the nuggets are breaded with whole wheat flour. They're baked, not fried. And we use avocado oil instead of vegetable oil." Karen, "Oh, really?" The cashier, "Yeah. Would you like some nuggets with your salad?" Karen, "No, thanks." The cashier, "Coming right up." Subscribe for more I narrated madness.